Imagine turning your existing skills into a swift $1,000. My team dared me to create a video that unveils the secret to achieving just that. Hey there, internet entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to earn money fast and easy online. Now, before we get started, let me emphasize that while there are opportunities out there, success requires effort and dedication. So let's explore some legitimate ways to make money online quickly. One popular way to earn money online is through freelancing platforms. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or have other skills, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking your expertise. Also, taking online surveys and participating in market research can provide a quick cash boost. Companies value your opinions, and they're willing to pay for your insights. Got stuff lying around? Turn your clutter into cash by selling items on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. You can also consider dropshipping or print-on-demand services. In fact, if you're passionate about creating content, YouTube could be your ticket. With engaging videos, consistent uploads, and monetization, you can earn money through ad revenue and sponsorships. Have you heard of affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission by promoting products or services through your unique affiliate link. Share it on your blog, social media, or website, and earn when people make purchases. Are you skilled in a particular subject? Offer online tutoring or create your own courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Take advantage of your skills by sharing your knowledge and earning money. Next, remote work is more accessible than ever. Many companies offer remote positions, allowing you to earn money from the comfort of your home. Nowadays, if you're a photographer or videographer, consider contributing your work to stock photography and video platforms. Your creations can generate passive income over time. If you have ever thought about selling products online from home, you can also launch your own e-commerce store with print-on-demand services. Create custom designs for apparel, accessories, and more, and earn money when customers purchase. Gig economy apps like Uber, Lyft, and Instacart offer flexible ways to earn money quickly. You can drive, deliver groceries, or perform various tasks on your own schedule operating online from the convenience of your phone. In today's digital age, the allure of earning money online from the comfort of your own home has never been stronger. The prospect of becoming your own boss is a tantalizing opportunity that holds the promise of freedom, flexibility, and boundless potential. Imagine waking up each morning, not to the blaring alarm clock, but to the exciting prospect of shaping your own destiny. Online avenues provide an expansive canvas for your skills and passions, allowing you to craft a livelihood that aligns with your interests. Whether you're a creative guru, a tech-savvy wizard, or an eloquent wordsmith, the internet offers a stage where your talents can shine and thrive. Beyond the realm of personal empowerment, the journey toward earning money online bears the potential to forge a legacy of generational wealth for your family. Picture the pride of passing down not only financial stability, but also a legacy of resourcefulness and innovation. By harnessing the power of the digital realm, you're not just accumulating wealth for the present, but creating a solid foundation that can withstand the test of time. Your efforts today could translate into a brighter future for your loved ones, providing them with opportunities that were once beyond reach. As you navigate the dynamic landscape of online entrepreneurship, remember that you're not just chasing profits, but laying the cornerstone for a prosperous lineage that will reap the rewards of your bold steps into the virtual frontier. And there you have it, folks, a rundown of various ways to earn money fast and easy online. Remember, while these methods can be lucrative, they still require effort, dedication, and a pinch of patience. So, choose the option that aligns with your skills and interests, and get ready to embark on your online earning journey. Your like and subscribe are more than just actions. They're endorsements of quality content that you believe in. By supporting us, you're fueling our drive to produce more of what you love, content that enriches lives and ignites minds. So, are you ready to take the plunge into a world of inspiration, education, and community? Don't miss out. Hit that like button and subscribe to become an integral part of our journey. Let's grow, learn, and thrive together.